What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the place to be channel, Big Boss ENT. We had a Cyber Monday pickup from Pitviper. Let's check it out. Now, we actually already cracked open the box a little while ago. So therefore, this was originally wrapped. Had the plastic wrap around it. We got a pink and kind of like teal color on the box. Pitviper 2000, the sunglasses from the future. Y'all know that. Right here in the corner by the UPC, which actually is pretty cool. Actually, their UPC has the barcode, has the shape of the Pitviper glasses right there. It's pretty cool. The model right above it is the after party. I noticed they had this color, and I kind of really wanted to get it. As you can see, we got the colors going. Throwback to the '90s. Charlotte Hornets, right? Purple and teal. So just to start off, it came with the soft case. These are the glasses. We'll get into those in a second. Typical, what usually it comes with, the instruction guide, 4 times the pleasurization, just how to the ratcheting up and down on the sides. Came with a soft wipe down cloth. These are little pieces that I still don't know what the fuck they are. And also, because they had the sale going on, if y'all remember the last Pitviper video, I picked up the Cosmos, which was the black with the the yellow spots on it. I finally got the rig for it, pieces that go on the back. We're gonna check that one out. This color though, I think this one's called the Midnight. They have multiple colors of the purple and teal on different models. So we will be checking that out. But as for these, Pitviper 2000, the after party, black frame. Has the what is that? The Z87 rating here on the side. Look cool in shop class, right? Has the purple and teal speckles all over that black frame. Pretty cool. Even goes on the back side. Got the purple and teal ear pieces that, yes, they do go in and out. Ratcheting. These are really nice. But anyways, the clear, actually see-through lens. You can actually see your eyes in these ones. So if y'all smoking something, someone's gonna know. But the key is that you're able to actually wear these at nighttime. Kicking it up in the club, hanging out at the after party, right? And they even have the soft piece for the nose, which is always actually pretty good, always comfortable. They do feel good. I was rocking these for a little while. I'm loving them. They're actually pretty cool. We're actually probably going to be bringing them out Friday. I'm actually recording this video on a Thursday. We'll be dropping this on a Friday. So when you're watching this, everybody make sure you had fun. Hit that after party. Get yourself some after parties and hit the after party, right? Let's go check out the rig really quick. Do a quick cut. All right, so on the rig, it says retention improvement gear. Like insurance for your Pitvipers. They ain't lying. I already lost a pair of Pitvipers up in the lake that we have over around here back in the summer, and I'm kicking myself in the ass. So I kind of wish I did have these rigs. So if you are going on the water, get yourself some. It is damn sure worth it, because y'all know these, they ain't exactly cheap. So let's see. Yeah, you just slip these over the backs here. Yeah, just like that. Actually slip all the way up to the knot right there. Let's check it out here. I think this knot actually comes, oh, there we go, and the knot actually comes down. Pitviper right there on the end. As you can see, right there. Yeah, just make sure you throw them over, and you will not lose them unless you do some crazy jump or something like that, right? But I mean, still rock them. You ain't gonna lose them. You know, jet skiing, you fall off a boat, something, you know. You ain't trying to lose these glasses. So if you like what's going on over here, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and join Camp Big Boss, baby. Y'all take care.